Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot verify payment information contact Apple support. So guys, if you're facing this problem, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some possible solution that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to sign out and sign in again in your iPhone. So guys, open settings, tap on your profile and then scroll it below. So as from here you will have to sign out for one time and then you will have to sign in again to fix this problem. So as after this, the second solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. So as open setting and tap on general and then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version of iOS. So as after this, go for the other solution, that is add a different payment method. So let's go back again, open your profile. So as from here you will have to tap on payment and shipping and then you will have to add a different payment method to fix this problem. So after this, go for the other solution, that is make sure your international transactions are enabled on your debit or credit card. So guys, make sure that your international transactions are active by your bank. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is change your country or region. So guys, open your profile again and then tap on media and purchases, tap on view account. Then again tap on country or region. Tap on change country or region. So guys, from here you will have to select your country or region correctly. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is contact Apple support to fix this problem. So I'll go back to your home screen, open Safari browser and tap here support.apple.com. Here it is. So guys, select your device. So guys, from here you can get any help from the Apple authorities. Hopefully they will help you to fix this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.